Hello Team Pecan! Today we are talking about our Skin Firming Day Serum. Why is this product great for your skin? Well, pecans contain a high amount of nutrients. You're finding vitamin A, vitamin E and D, and then we have also added extra vitamin E, which is great for blemishes, scarring, and your texture on the skin. Our skin firming serum is jam-packed with nutrients that are great for your skin, such as vitamin E, which you're also finding on the pecan oil. Vitamin E is a great source to heal and restore your skin, such as blemishes, scarring, and dark circles. Also, you're finding this product is quite concentrated as we do not use any water in the formula. Although it is a concentrated product, the texture of it is quite silky and smooth. It's super light, so it is great for your daytime use, underneath your foundation or underneath your sunscreen as well. You can also layer it with a moisturizer if you have more of a dry skin. Our skin serum is great for any type of skin, from a younger skin to more of a mature skin. If you do have more of an oily or a combination skin, we recommend you use this on its own, so not adding another product or a moisturizer on top. If you do have more of a dry skin, you can layer it with a moisturizer or with another serum as well to give you that extra hydration. Our skin serum you can use in a different ways. It's recommended to use it during the day after you wash your face or after you come out of the shower. Put it in, I'll show you how. You can either grab the dropper and put it on your palm, rub it in, and then go ahead and pat the serum. You can also use it under your eyes. Or you can also use the dropper and put it directly into your skin, and then go ahead and smooth out the serum. You only need to start with a few drops. If you feel like you need more, then go ahead and add some more. Make sure when you apply it, you always go upwards. Our skin serum is great for the daytime as the texture of it is quite light and smooth. So go ahead and use that underneath your foundation. You can use it on its own or you can use it underneath your sunscreen. Our skin serum is available in different retailers. If you are looking for the skin serum, go ahead into the website under the store location. Put your address on and make sure you select the skin serum to find a local retailer near you. You can also find it on Amazon and Walmart.ca and on selector Walmart retailers.